So welcome students. So in this question A is given as this matrix 0 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 0 0 and you're asked to find which of the following options are right. So first option, A is a 0 matrix, is obviously wrong. A is equal to minus of I, again this is obviously wrong because minus I is having minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 along the main diagonal. So this is also wrong. A inverse does not exist. What is det A? Det A is nothing but minus 1 times 0 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So det A is not equal to 0, hence A inverse exists. So A inverse does not exist is wrong. So you have only one option left, A square is equal to I. You just need to check whether A square is equal to I. So 0 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 0 0 times 0 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 0 0. So what is the multiplication of these two? So you can do this multiplication, you get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Hence A square is equal to I is the right option. Thank you.